and down. Last one, left, and well done. Okay, bend the knees, help yourself up, come up to your forearm, align the shoulder and the elbow. Now, there are two versions of the side bridge that you can do. The first version is a slightly easier version with the bent knee position. You can also do this with a straight leg position. So I'm going to show you the both of them, the both option. First of all, I want to really lift the underneath rib cage and the waistline so that you maintain that beautiful spinal alignment. Top arm here, present that chest, look forward, and as you breathe out, press forearm down, lifting the pelvis, reaching up and down. And this is doable for you. You can also straighten both legs. So increasing the lever of the body, increasing the challenge of the exercise, and lengthen down. So I'd like you to choose a version that suits you today. Lift and down. Again, we'll lift and down. And two more lift and down. Last one, lift. Well done. All right, tuck the legs in and let's switch over to the other side. Side lift. Stretch out, long line, tip of the fingers and to the toes. Pressing the hands down. Breathe in. Hey, can we sit down? As exhale, we'll lift and reach down. Exhale, just really pull up the center, contract the top oblique, lengthen the bottom one, and down. Again, exhale, and down, and lift. You may find that one side's a little trickier for you, that you want to work a little bit more on that side. And just observe what your body does today. One more time, please. Exhale. Good job. All right, onto a side bridge. Pick a position, bent knee position or straight legs. Again, align the shoulder and the elbow, lifting the armpit girdle, the ribcage girdle, and the waist. And stay long. Breath out. Let's press down to left. Inhale, lengthening to lower. So you're going to resist. And exhale. And resist the gravity as you go down. Again, exhale. And lengthen. And exhale. And lengthen. Last one. Exhale. And lengthen. Well done. Okay, tuck the feet in. Onto a quadruped position. We have the shoulder and the heel of the palm in one vertical alignment, the hip and the knee in one vertical alignment. And pushing the floor away, lengthening the spine, breath out. TVA, transverse abdominis, pull in and hold that position. Now I'd like you to tuck the toes under. We're going to float the knees off. So hovering slightly off the floor. And we stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We lower down. Again, we exhale, we float. 5, 4, 3. Neck is long. 2, 1. And we lower. Now, adding a little bit more challenge if this is suitable for you. Otherwise, you can just hold that hovering modified plank position. We press up again. Now stand. We walk the feet to the edge of the mat. 1, 2, bring it back underneath you. And then out, out, and out, out, and out, out. 2 more sets. Out, out. Last set. Out, out, and lower. Well done. Now we're going to move it backward. Not quite to a plank position, a traditional plank position, but just slightly somewhere in the midway. So we breathe out, TVA in, lifting the knees up, hold that posture, and we'll step back slightly, step back. We fall forward, forward. We step back, go forward, forward. The pelvis is stable, the spine is long. We press out, hold that center forward, forward, 3 more out, out, forward, forward, 2 more out, out, forward, forward, last one out, out, forward, forward, hold, and release. Well done. Release the ankle, send the pelvis back, stretch your arms for rest position, a quick one, and release. Let's go to our front, please. Bring your arms long by the side of your body. Let's do our back extension. So this is where we are going to work that intrinsic deep back muscle here. Taking your arms by the side, reaching the sitting bone down towards the feet, and really power up your legs. So engage your muscles around your legs. Right, Boki? Here we go. We're going to lift that lower abs up. Power through the arms to the side of your body. We inhale. We lift the upper back up. Making sure that lower spine doesn't sway down, but you want to power through the abdominal to support the spine. And come on down. Inhale, we lift. Exhale, we come down. And inhale, we lift. Exhale. Please make sure that your neck is nice and long. And inhale, lift. Exhale. Last 2, inhale. Boki. And down, you're blocking the camera. Inhale, lift. And exhale. Well done. All right, bring the forearm to the side of your body. Now, pull the abdominal muscle around your back and push off with the arms. Sit back to your heels for another quick rest position. And then let's roll the spine up. Great. Let's finish the class with some percussive TVA engagement. Okay, so kneeling up. We need to sit down, buddy. Come on. Good job. All right. Now sort out my assistant already now. All right, so here, nice and tall. We're gonna inhale through the nose. Think about the ribcage expansion. Exhale. You're gonna pull in tight. Okay? So we can have your hands here. If you like, you can have your hands here for a little tactile cue. More than welcome. So we inhale. Exhale. 5 more. 3, 2, 1. Good job. And release. Just shake it out. Okay. Well done. Thank you for joining me and Boki for the class today, and really hope to see you on the mat, another class. Have a great day.